is example 2, part 2 of lesson 4.7, graphing linear functions. We're going to do the same thing we just did again. We are graphing a linear function using the start value and amount of change. So, looking at this function, we can see that our start value right here is 8. Our start value is 8, which means that the first point we're going to plug onto our graph is going to be when x equals 0, y equals 8. 0, 8 is our first point. All right. Now, amount of change, we're decreasing by 1 because we have minus, it shows for decreasing, and then we don't have a variable. If we don't have a front coefficient, a number in front of our x, that coefficient is just 1. So we're decreasing by 1 each time. So we've graphed the start value, bam, there, and now we're going to graph 3 more points. For every time we go over 1, we're going to go down 1. So down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. And I could keep going. Down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. I'm going down because it's minus, and I'm doing over 1 because this is technically the same as 1x. Now, we draw a line, and we put an arrow at both ends of it. So we draw our line through our points, and we'll draw little arrows on the end of it, just to show that that line goes on forever and ever. It doesn't stop there. This graph goes on farther than I have drawn it. This graph doesn't have any parameters telling it to stop, so it's going to go on pretty much forever. And that's it.